In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install an indicator to your Metatrader 5 or 4. So if you do have a Metatrader 4 or Metatrader 5, the process is going to be about the same. Now what you want to do is first of all get the file. Now once you have the file, which usually comes in a zip format, if the file isn't in a zip format, you can also still follow the same process. If it's a zip file, go ahead and open the file, and then you want to extract the files. So if you have any file extractor, so you can simply just click on the folder with the file and then click on extract to. It's going to show you different locations in your PC, which you can select where you want to extract the file to. So if you're using WinRAR or someone who has the file, the next step is to go back to your trading platform, which is your Metatrader 5 or 4. So in this section here, you want to click on File. On Metatrader 4, you're going to see the same thing, which is the file in this section. So click on File, and then you want to come to the section where it says Open Data Folder. Click on Open Data Folder, and this will open data folder for your Metatrader 4 or 5. In the data folder, you want to come to MQL5. For Metatrader 4, it will be MQL4. Open this folder, and then you see indicators. Open the indicators folder. In the indicator folder section here, you want to drag the file or folder into this section. So I'm going to go back to my WinRAR and then drag this into this folder. This will extract the folder and add it here. Once in this section, you can go ahead and close the folder. And then in the navigation section here, if you right click and you do not see the option to refresh, you can go ahead and close the Metatrader platform and then open it again. Once opened, in the indicator section here, you should now see the folder or the file of your indicator. If you do not find it, you want to expand on indicator in this section and you'll be able to find them. Now expand on the file and then expand on indicator. Expand again until you see all the indicators needed, and then it's quite easy to add your indicator from here. Now you can drag each of the file to your charts and you meet the startup menu, or you can double click on the file and this will take you to the startup menu. Here you have common, which is about the indicator, input, if any input is necessary provided from your indicator provider, color if you want to change, and visualization. Once you're done, click on OK and the indicator will be added. Now you can go ahead and do this for every other indicator needed. Once you're done adding the indicators, it's quite easy to manage. What you want to do anytime you want to remove or manage any indicator, you can right click on your chart, and in the chart section here, you're going to see indicator list. Click on this and you'll be able to see any indicator you've added to your charts. You can click on it, manage its properties from this section, which includes the common, input, color, and visualization as from the start. Or you can click on delete to delete an indicator. And this will delete any indicator you've added to your chart. Once you're done, click on close. You'll also be able to adjust certain indicator sections. Simply hover over in this section and you'll be able to drag and manage your indicator display. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on. So let me know in the description what kind of video you'd like to see next.